In today's video, I'm going to teach you how the Jobber app works. If you're looking to streamline your business operations, keep watching, as Jobber could be exactly what you need. First things first, open your web browser and head to the Jobber website. Jobber is a comprehensive tool designed to help manage your business efficiently, especially if you're in a service-based industry. One of Jobber's primary features is its ability to store detailed client information. You can easily save contact details, addresses, and even service history, giving you a well-organized digital Rolodex. This functionality ensures that you have all the information you need at your fingertips whenever you need to reference a client's past interactions or plan for future services. Now, on to scheduling, a crucial feature for any business. With Jobber, you can book jobs, appointments, or even set up recurring services for each of your clients. Whether it's a one-time job or regular maintenance, the app's scheduling tools help ensure you never miss a beat, keeping your operations running smoothly and efficiently. Creating quotes and invoices is another area where Jobber shines. You can effortlessly design professional-looking quotes and invoices right within the app. This not only saves time, but also guarantees consistency in how you bill your clients, strengthening your brand. The app's payment integration capabilities are equally impressive, offering seamless connections with various payment gateways. This means you can easily accept online payments, making the process convenient for both you and your clients. This integrated feature can significantly enhance your cash flow by reducing the time it takes to receive payments. Communication is key in any business, and Jobber makes it easier through its built-in messaging system. You can exchange messages directly within the app, allowing you to stay in touch with both clients and team members without switching platforms. This can lead to more effective communication and faster resolution of any issues that might arise. Lastly, Jobber provides access to comprehensive reports on your business performance. You can obtain insights into your revenue and expenses, analyze client activity, and understand the overall health of your business. These reports can be invaluable when making strategic decisions, helping you identify areas for improvement and plan for growth. With all these features, Jobber acts as an all-in-one solution to manage various aspects of your business seamlessly. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of how the Jobber app works. It's an effective tool for any service-based business looking to enhance organization, improve client relationships, and boost overall efficiency. Don't forget to explore each feature further to see how it can best serve your specific business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Jobber.